So, bro, help me. My mom signed me up for a coding competition. I have to make ChatGPT, and you said you're good at coding, right? So, what did I reply? I replied, yeah, how long do you have? What did he say? 5 days. So, I basically have to make a program in Scratch, the block-based coding language. Second one, do really complicated math. Two, write me essays, stories, scripts, etc. And the hardest part of all, code. I know it sounds weird, but for a robot built in Scratch, it's gonna be hard. So I probably have to start like right now. So yeah, let me get this Scratch project going. Alright, so basically I'm here in Scratch, okay? And I'm gonna basically start coding right now. So I think I might do a coding montage or something. I have no idea. Different angle. This is cool. Okay, I'm gonna do a montage, okay? So this is gonna look completely different the next time you see it. Coding montage. Coding montage.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig.
Alright, it's 7 p.m. but I've got working calculator just for addition. I'll have to repeat this for every operation later. So far, if I ask what's like some random number plus that, it'll give me the answer, which is right there. So now I just have to repeat that. Like, I have to do this 3 more times. Because addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So this is gonna take me a while. Hello, it is day 2. So far I have, if you don't know, so far I have this thing. And if I just show that, if I ask it a question like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait, how much can this go to? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That equals 2, 4, 6, 9, 1, 2. So I have that part, but it doesn't know what subtraction and everything is, right? So I'm gonna add that for now, and then I'll do the rest. So let's do a montage. 3, 2, 1, start.
I got blindsided, couldn't see it in the slightest. That path you walked was the same as mine. It's hard to believe, man, tell me you're lying. This is something new. Crying the first time I ever wore a suit. I saw me when I looked at you. So now I fear one day I'm gonna disappear. Look in the mirror to make sure I'm still standing here. I've been playing in my head those things I never said, like existential dread. But I'm not staying in my mind. I'm living like you said. It's gonna be alright until I end up dead. Until I end up dead. Until I end up blindsided, so strong. Why would you hide?
Alright. As you could have seen that montage, which I intentionally didn't do times 16 speed. I finished all these and it didn't take that long. Oh yeah, and we also got 1000 vlogs. Let's go. But this is a good thing, right? Because now we already have one out of the three things we need to finish. But now I need to write essays, and I have no idea how I'm going to do that. So okay, I'll search on other projects and I can see how I'll improve that. So let's do a montage for that.
I got blindsided, couldn't see it in the slightest. That path you walked was the same as mine. It's hard to believe, man, tell me you're lying. This is something new. Crying the first time I ever wore a suit. I saw me when I looked at you. So now I fear one day I'm gonna disappear. Look in the mirror to make sure I'm still standing here.
Alright, I can't find anything, so I think I'm gonna have to do this myself. How do you write an essay? First you need a main idea. So maybe if I ask write me a essay about ducks, maybe I'll just have to find out how to remove everything else and just be left with ducks. Okay, I'll see you in 2 seconds. Okay, I'll just do some off camera coding. It feels so weird saying that. Okay, that took me 5 hours and 1400 blocks, but I finally made it, so I can find the main idea. So, and look at how many variables and lists I have now. Oh my god. Okay, so if I ask, so the addition thing's done, right? So essays now. So if I ask write me a story about, I'm gonna put this in quotation marks actually, I'll just do single word. Swans. See, it just found the main idea. That is so cool. Okay, I think that should be enough for today. I hope so. Yeah, I hope so. Okay, I think actually let me explain how all this works. I don't think you need to. So this is the script doing the heavy lifting. So let me see here. This will find exactly what we're doing, generate an essay, then we're gonna be generating an essay. If it says write me if it says generate a script, some people do that too, right? They'll say that's what they want to do, and don't worry about this. This isn't meant to be here. Okay, so after this it'll I have no idea what this thing does, but then there's this find topic block, and this is what find topic does. So first it does gather words in problem. So if I go over to gather words in problem, so it'll take all the words in the question and it'll put it in a list which is words. So it'll do all that, run without screen refresh, and this is just for the last thing, and then pre-final check before generating. Okay, and it wasn't actually, I don't know why it says pre-final. It should just be final. So it's gonna check if the first word is could, you, topic, of, the, on, whatever could be there. If it is, then it's gonna delete one of words. If it isn't, it's gonna move on to the next thing. Set L1 to item. So this is gonna be how long the list is. So it'll repeat this many times. So if letter, so it's now just changing the punctuation marks. See, so in my case, I did where's the quotation mark? Oh, here it is. So quotation mark. What did I just? Okay. So it'll set these to 1, and then it'll just remove a quotation mark by adding all the letters in this word to this list 69 because I was getting tired. So I didn't know a name. It'll add all the letters. It'll take the last letter, which is in this case a quotation mark. It'll remove that. Then it'll remove the first letter if there is a first letter, and then we'll generate the essay. But I think I'll leave that to tomorrow. So this is enough for today. Bye bye. Okay. Uh okay, I've been playing outside for the past 2 hours and I have no idea how I'm going to make this into an essay. So, I mean, I have to use ChatGPT so I can make ChatGPT, right? Okay. Oh, I know how. Tell me all the items in the world, but tell me in the most general categories. No spell categories on what? Natural resources. Oh, that's good. Uh, Miscellaneous, financial. Okay, so these, and then I'll just expand this. So let me actually make a docs.new. Okay, I'll copy that. So I'll just remove miscellaneous and this. Okay, minerals. Tell me all the minerals in the world. I'll do this and I'll show you later. Okay, this is taking me such a long time. I asked ChatGPT for all the items in the world with most general categories. I've just realized how long this is going to take. Like, I'm here. Not that one. So here I have all the items in the world so far, but I still have more like animals. I'm doing electronics, and this is 8 pages, right? But for 8 pages, this is all I have right now. I'm on electronics right now, and for electronics, these are how many companies I have to cover. And all this is electronics, and this is just Apple and Samsung. So now I have to do Sony. So this is going to take me such a long time. I've been working on this for like 1 hour already. Actually 2 hours. I have no idea, bro. I've lost track of time. This is taking me so long. I'll see you like tomorrow. Okay, day 3, and I also have some really good. I have some really good news. Sorry, I have hiccups. So you know how I said I have 5 days to finish this thing. Sorry. It turns out I have 2 more days. Let's go. I have until so I have until Sunday, and right now it's Thursday, so I'll have enough time to finish all this. So I'll do a time lapse of this because yesterday I wasn't able to get much footage. But yeah, so time lapse starting now.
I got blindsided, couldn't see it in the slightest. That path you walked was the same as mine. It's hard to believe, man, tell me you're lying. make sure I'm still standing here. I've been playing in my head those things I never said, like existential dread. But I'm not staying in my mind, I'm living like you said. It's gonna be alright until I end up dead. Until I end up dead. Until I end up blindsided, so strong. I got blindsided, couldn't see it in the slightest. That path you walked was the same as mine. It's hard to believe, man, tell me you're lying. This is something new. Crying the first time I ever wore a suit. I saw me when I looked at you. So now I fear one day I'm gonna disappear. Look in the mirror to make sure I'm still standing here. I've been playing in my head those things I never said, like existential dread. But I'm not staying in my mind, I'm living like you said. It's gonna be alright until I end up dead.
Okay, I know I said I was gonna do all these companies, but right. I don't think I'll be able to do it in the few days I have now. So I think these are all the electronics I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna copy that. I have finally finished all 853 items in the world. So now I'm just gonna take this hang on, let me show you how long it takes to scroll. Oh, still going. Yeah, that's how long it takes. So I'm just gonna put this in my I'm just gonna put this in my backpack and yeah, add it to the main project. Oh god, this is so much data. I think this web page is gonna crash. This is so much data. Oh god, it's just a big line. Okay, let me add this to that and yeah, I'll see you in a moment. Alright, finish that. I also added some things to this generate script. So it'll do all the things in the world, just resets this list. Then it'll repeat 813 times. But this list is 812, so it checks one extra time just to make sure. So it'll check if this first one, if the first item, if the first item, it'll check if the first item in this list is equal to item 1 in words, which is right there. So if I just hide that list, this, so if I hide that, why is it wait, so if I do write me a essay about llamas. Oh, this is word 2, words. That's what I need to see. Write me a essay. Hang on, let me remove this. Write me an essay about Toyota Camry. That won't work actually. Let me just do a random betta fishes. I spelled that wrong, I know. Let me put a quotation mark so my autocorrect will stop detecting. Llama betta fishes? What the heck? Delete all of words. Alright, and now if I just go up here, okay, wait, let's see, find topic. Okay, then I'll do gather words and about betta fishes. Whoopsies. Hang on, let me just fix this quickly. So let me just delete all this. Let me show you how it actually finds the things, like the process it does. So first it'll gather all the here. So just keep looking at this words list. First it'll gather all the words in the problem, which you see is there. Then it'll find a topic there, betta fish. Then it'll final check before generating, which will remove the quotation, and then let me just put this here. It will generate, which gives us a number 278. So if I look at the list, if I look at the list of everything in the world, save, and I go to number 278, 278, that's betta fish, which is that thing right there. Betta fish. Yeah, so that's cool. So now that number 278, which I made a thing here, so let me just get here. So 278, that's there, that's gonna be connected to number 278 in essay, and in this and in that item in the essay thing is gonna be a essay about betta fish. Alright, so let me do that in a time lapse and I'll see you in a moment. You know what? This is probably gonna take me to like the last day. Oh god, so I'll probably have to start like right now. Okay, I've made a lot of progress. I finished the essays part. Oh look, I hit 6,000 blocks. Nice. But anyways, oh yeah, I gave it a new look also. So yeah, so we have a blank sprite to prevent lag. Then we have this thing just for this, and then we have the AI itself. Ooh, okay. Let me show you. So if I do like write me a essay about ducks, it gave me an essay about ducks. If I do write me a essay about diamonds, gives me an essay about diamonds. If I do write me a essay about quartz, yeah, the first thing on my list, an essay about quartz. I mean, this is working so good, right? So now I think I just have I also asked ChatGPT to make this one better. But anyways, that's the essay thing done, and I barely have any time left. Like I only have 4 hours. Then I have to send this to Arav. So I only have 4 hours till I can send this to Arav. So I can't do the coding part. So that means, well, this is it. Maybe I'll just add some more things, like if I say hi, then this guy will say this and all that. But I think this is done. Woo! It's done. Yay! All right.